turning a two-dimensional sketch into a 3D model. The ribbon along the top here has a range of 3D features which can be applied to a sketch. We will create a 3D shape from this rectangle by using the Extrude tool. You click once on the Extrude tool. You then need to click the faces and sketch regions to extrude, as is listed in this Properties dialog box. By hovering the mouse over the sketch until it turns orange, you can then click that. By default, the depth will be 25 millimeters. Click here in the depth dialog box and change the depth to 5 millimeters. You can now click the tick to complete that feature. You now have a 3D model in the shape of a rectangle, which is 5 millimeters in height.